Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, let me just turn off my Wi-Fi for this test. Here we have our mobile data in the control center. So you can, as you guys can see, you cannot scroll up from the left side, you need to scroll down from the right side. And here you can click on the icon, make sure that it says off for a second, click on, and now it's enabled. What are we going to do next is we're going to do a little bit of a restart. So we want to improve our signal. We're going to turn on the airplane mode and turn it off so that it can refresh the signal from the towers. Now, let's go over, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to check the APN settings. So we need to open up the settings app. Here, go to the SIM and network settings. As you guys can see, we got our SIM card right here. And what are we going to do now is we're simply going to click on it. Once we click here, we can see that first we have mobile data. Make sure that it's enabled. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go to the APNs, which is the access point names at the bottom. And here we have our internet. So we can click on it. We can click on the dot right here. There's no way to actually delete it, so you can just rename the APN. Now you won't have your network. It will not work because we changed the APN. As you guys can see, we're just going to click here and click on save. We're going to click OK, and as you guys can see, our network disappeared even though it's turned on. So now what are we going to do is we're going to simply click on the three dots, click reset to default, and now it's restoring the default APN settings. Soon it should change everything back up, and we got our LTE now. What are we going to do next is we're going to make sure that the SIM card is properly inserted. So if you see your SIM card in the settings, and you can actually see it right here, you can see the mobile data and etc. That means it is properly inserted. But if you do not see any signal, you should remove it. And to remove the card, you can easily just go over. Let me lock the phone. Here right at the bottom we got the port. Now we want to make sure that we put our SIM tray opener in here, and here we're simply going to put the SIM tray out. We got our SIM card, we want to remove it, and of course we're gonna put it back again the same way that we put it in for the first time. Now it is here, we're gonna put it back, and as you guys can see, I have to enter the SIM pin. So now let's just enter it, and as you guys can see, soon we should have a confirmation saying OK at the bottom. What are we going to do next is we're going to restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So as you guys can see, now I'm holding only the power button, and we're going to press on restart, and we're going to tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is back. After the restart, we still have to enter the SIM pin. As you guys can see, we're going to click on the check mark. Now we need to enter our password if you have one. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings. And in the settings, as a last resort, we're going to go over and reset the network settings. So we're going to go over into system. Now we're going to go to reset phone and click on reset Wi-Fi settings. So this will reset our mobile settings. This is what we're aiming for, but also it will remove every single Wi-Fi network that we have saved and every single Bluetooth device. So you need to be careful when you're doing that. If you don't want to lose stuff, the last and final resort is to contact your carrier to verify your data plan. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.